Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 GMC Terrain. Stock number is A7809. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Terrain is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's the 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.